Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by closing the app and ending any background instances. This removes immediate conflicts. Next, force stop or swipe it away, then reboot the device to clear cached processes. Once done, open Settings and verify the app version and OS compatibility because mismatched releases often crash. If you have multiple accounts or work profiles, temporarily sign out to isolate the session. These first steps remove transient issues and prepare the device for deeper fixes without losing data. Now you move into the middle of the process. Clear the cache to remove corrupt temporary files, and if crashes persist, clear app data after confirming backups so you don't lose essential info. Next, check and reset permissions. Denied access to storage or sensors can force an app to quit. Also inspect available storage and free up space. Many apps fail when storage drops under roughly 10%. Once done, relaunch the app to test whether the issue is resolved. Finally, update both the app and your operating system because many crashes stem from incompatibility or bugs fixed in patches. If updates don't help, uninstall the app, reboot, and install a fresh copy to remove corrupted installations. Once done, test with a minimal setup. Single account default settings. If the app still kicks you out, boot into safe mode to rule out other apps, collect crash logs or screenshots, and contact support with step-by-step repro details.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.